Hey everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back and Happy New Year. So this video is a unboxing video for My Crafting World Designs. Anna, who owns My Crafting World Designs, asked if I would be a guest designer this month. And I was super excited because I did guest design for her back in November, and she has amazing products. So I had so much fun with her November release, and so I was really happy that she had asked me back. And so let me let me share what her new products, her new release for January, I should say. And if you want any of the new products or any of the products in her shop, I do have a discount code, which is TIFF10. It's only good for this month because I am not a regular design team member. I don't get any perks or anything, if you use my code. It's just basically giving you a discount if you like, what you see, or if you want to purchase items from her shop. So the first product I'm going to share is it's called straw dangles. And so here there's a set of 3 dangles here. So you have like this teardrop shape, this is like a rectangle shape, and then a circle shape. And so I'm super excited about this. I have to get out my straws and create some fun things with this. So thank you so much. The next item, oh my gosh, guys, so this is so cute. Look at this. So this is called the Jelly Tote mini album. And look at that. So this one has, let me just open it up. So this one has multiple layers. So this is the tote, and you see it has the holes here for your rings or trim, however you want to bind your album. And it has 2 shadow layers. It has the base piece, and then it has a stitched layering piece, and then it has the tote bag shape. Isn't that cute? And it's such a good size for a mini album. You can turn it into an embellishment book, a die cut book, so many options. So this is super cute. I can't wait to play with this one too. And last but not least is this. Oh my gosh, so this is a heart bag. I love it. I haven't opened any of these yet, so let's take a look and see. So this one here, okay, so this is the base of the bag, and this, so I think these are the layering pieces. Let me just take a look and see. Yes, I love when, especially like 3D projects, like bags, boxes, they come with layering pieces because it just makes it look so much nicer, and it's so much easier. We don't have to do the measurements, and especially when it has like a shape that's going to be kind of hard to make a layering piece for, but she has it in there, and it's a stitched layering piece, so that's really cute. So I think what you're going to do is you're going to cut this out twice, put it together. You have a layering piece that's just a square here, and then it has a heart. Or you can use this layering piece where it layers the whole front, including the handle. And then you have the piece here, the rectangle, which is for this, it's for the sides, not the bottom. And then it has the word love, and this sentiment looks like it has some layers to it too. So let's see. 1, 2, yep, it has 2 shadow layers. It has the main one. So let me open this really quick. Let me get my cutters here and open this up. You guys, I've been up since like 5 this morning. I went to bed probably around 1:30 or 2. My poor doggy, he was so scared because of all the fireworks. So he woke up early because he had to use the bathroom, and so he woke me up, and I took him out, and I couldn't go back to bed. Poor guy. But he's better now. Everything's better. I hope people have stopped fireworks. I mean, I love fireworks, but I mean, sometimes they still go on for like a week, which is crazy. But anyway, so here you see it has the base piece, the shadow, and then it has another shadow. Let me open this. And then the word love. And look at the font. I love the font. So yeah, I love the layering. The the double layers for the sentiments. That's so pretty. And so the again, the layering piece, and then the base of the bag. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. So I've already started Valentine's, so I'm going to incorporate this with my projects because I am in a few swaps, personal one-on-one swaps. So I'm going to definitely add these to my swaps. So I will come on shortly. Well, not today, but sometime by the end of the week, by Sunday or Sunday at the latest. And I'll have some project shares for you all, showcasing one or maybe two or maybe all of these items. It just depends how much time I have on my hands. But thanks for stopping by. And again, if you do want to pick up any of these items or anything in her shop, just for the month of January, you can use TIFF10 as the discount code, all right? So I hope you all are having a relaxing day. If you all are crafting, you're so lucky. I'm not going to be able to craft today. I just slipped away from my family for a little bit because my husband had to go to the Tractor Supply Company to get our dogs some food. And so I thought I would come on and do my unboxing. And then I'm going to go back down and hang out with my family on New Year's Day. That's what we usually do. We just hang out and watch movies. So that's where I'll be. Anyway, y'all have a great day. Happy New Year again. May your 2025 be filled with happiness, love, prosperity, good health, and a lot of craftiness. I'll see you all later. Bye.